Okay, great. So we just finished multiplying our 4 in our ones place of 64 by each basically place value number, which means we multiplied it by 7, by 80, and by 300. Now we need to do the same thing with the 60, or in the case of our standard algorithm, the 6. So a big thing to think of here is that we do not need to put any more values or add any more numbers or put any more numbers in our ones column, because there are no more ones to multiply, right? So we did our 4 by 7 because there's a 4 in 64 in the ones place and a 7 in 387 in the ones place, because we multiply 4 by anything. If we wanted to multiply 60 by something by 7 and we just wanted to multiply the ones places, we can't because there's a 0 there. So there's nothing to multiply. So what we do is sometimes you can put a slash there, a line, a 0. I prefer just to leave it blank. I put nothing in this column. So I start immediately with putting my answers to my multiplication problems in my tens column. So that what that means is I'll do 6 times 7, which I know is 42. Again, in 42, but this is really 60 times 7. 60 times 7 is 420, and 420 there's a 2 in the tens place, so I put a 2 here. Right, I'm putting the 2 in the tens place, right? Because in 420 the 2 is in the tens and not in the ones. So I don't want to put a 1 on this side. And in 420 or 42, there's a 4 in the hundreds place. Well, not in 42, but in 420. So I'm going to want to bring this 4 over here that I can add. Oh wait, no, not there. I'm thinking of hundreds, so I want to put it there. So I did 6 times 7 is 42. I'm going to put the 4 up here. Because, wait, what? No, that makes sense. 6 times 8 is 48 usually, plus 4, plus the 4 tens. Well, because this is really 60 times 80, which is, well, that would be 4,800. So yeah, so 60 times 80, okay, this makes sense. 6 times 80 is 4,800, or 6 times 8 is 48. But this 4 that we just moved over, right, is really 400. Jesus, is confusing talking about all these place values. So if we add a 400 to that, to 4,800, right, we get 5,200. And 5,200, what place value is in the hundreds? 2. So we put a 2 here. What place value is in the thousands? A 5. So whatever we multiply next in 6 times 8, we're gonna add 6 times 3, we're gonna add 5,000 to whatever 6 times 3 is, which is really 300 times 60. 300 times 60 is gonna be 18,000. 18,000 plus the 5,000 would be 23,000. And then 23,000, again, we have a 3 in the thousands place, right? Now we have a new place value, a 2 in the 10,000s place. We're just gonna stick that out here. We can add it again, right? We could even write 10,000s, thousands, hundreds. Oh, forget that little mark. Wait, what? Oh, no, yeah, no, tens, ones, right? 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. All right, we're doing great so far. So we just did all of our multiplication, just like we kind of did in our area model, or what the heck is the other one? Something products, partial products. We basically just did 6 different multiplication problems here, and now we need to add them all up. So we kind of can forget about the top part of this. All we're doing now is just standard algorithm of adding. So we're gonna start on our right, with our ones. 8 plus 0, which would be here, is 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 1 plus 3, 4. 2 plus nothing up here would be 2. Gives us an answer of 24,786. And then again, you can draw like a little thumbs up person. Yay, good job, woohoo!